Hello, how are you all doing? Welcome to a new Rocketbot class. Today we're going to see how to read an email. Alright, taking advantage of the previous example, what we're going to do is the following. We're going to connect to the application, obviously. There, we're already connected. We're going to see that it returns true in this case. This step we're going to skip, since we already did it in the previous video. And now what I'm going to do is basically get the ID of that email so I can obviously read it. Alright, let's open the application. We'll see that in the inbox we only have one, and that's the one I want to read. So let's look in unread. Here we can set a filter like the subject or other things to identify an email. But in this case, since there's only one, it won't be necessary. We're going to search specifically in the inbox folder and we're going to save that in the email variable, which, as we can see, is currently empty. So I run the command and it's going to give me an ID. I get this ID, and based on that ID, what I'm going to do is send and read that email using the ID. So first from email, we're going to get the first result and we're going to extract its ID. Alright, so let's run it. And now in ID we can see that we have the ID of the email itself extracted from here. And now we're going to do the following. In read email, we're going to provide the ID and set that variable, meaning it will return the information in this variable. If it has any attached document, you can put it here to be able to read it. Alright, let's run it and let's see what we get in the result variable. Okay, do you remember that in the previous video we sent an email where the subject was test email sent from Rocketbot? And the message said, "Hi, I sent you an email from Rocketbot using Office Auto modules." Alright, and that's what we got. What we just did is basically get the ID of the messages according to the classification or the search filter we set. We got that ID, and that ID is the one we gave to the command to read email by ID, and here it gives us the result. Alright, I hope this was helpful and I'll see you in the next class.